Okay, hold on. Hi, I'm here with Skylar Palladino. Skylar, how old are you?
I'm 6.
You're 6, and what's going on today? What do we see going on with you today?
My tooth is very wiggly.
It's very wiggly, and that hasn't come out yet? You gotta keep trying.
Well, never came out. You can't wait, suckers! You can't wait!
I think you can't wait. Give me a ba-bam.
Bam! You go, guys! You guys will get it! You can't? Well, then like crazy!
Okay.
We have to your brain!
Hey, Bubba Tooth, pull that tooth out. Bubba Tooth.
I'll pull it out!
Give me the yank.
No.
Awesome!
Give me the yanks, guys.
Good.
Here, Bubba.
I'll get these. Do it again.
Make it come out. Come on. Push it. You're rolling. Get it? No? No?
I'm sorry, we can't do it. Bye-bye.